Hello everyone. Today our lecture is about cloud-based WLAN planning. Our test purpose is to verify that Huawei Cloudcampus solution can integrate Huawei Cloud Network Planning Platform, which supports network planning, indoor and outdoor planning, interference source setting, and automatic device deployment. It also supports signal simulation, exporting network planning report, mobile phone signal simulation, and importing CAD drawing, etc. This feature helps wireless network deployment be more accurate and improves the experience of our users. Cloud-based WLAN planning suits a wireless deployment scenario that has a large number of wireless APs needed to be deployed in a large WLAN coverage area. Let's focus on the test network. It consists of a WLAN planner platform and a NCE controller. After planning the network on the planner, we can export the report and configure file and import them to the controller. Now let's take a look of test steps. First, we log in the platform. Then we need to create a network planning project. After that, we import the network floor plan. Then we try environment and region settings and deploy the device. And then we display signal simulation. After all these operations, we export the report and network planning file. And finally, we import them to the controller. And down here, we can see our expected results. And let's go to the test precautions. Number one, perform a site survey to obtain the actual layout and interference sources on site. Number two, please prepare the on-site plane drawings, which can be CAD drawings. Number three, understand the customer's service status, type, quantity, and bandwidth requirements of accessed terminals. Number four, the customer equipment selection has been determined. Number five, you can access our network planning website through this URL. And there are some common problems, and here's our troubleshooting roadmap. First, if the project cannot be created, please contact the point of contact or R&D engineers for assistance. Number two, the environment cannot be set. Please check whether the scale has been set. And number three, if the actual deployment effect is poor, please check whether the site survey, obstacles, and interference sources are accurate during network planning. Now we go to the planner website. The WLAN planner is displayed in the lower part of the page. And we click and enter it, then click running. So here we select the agreement and confirm. We select no on customer network data involved item, enter a project name, and here we select China as the country region, then confirm. Now we select this project and select create building. We enter the name of the building. We click select file, and here we can choose a scenario according to the actual scenario. So we select an office floor plan and click OK. And we can use the wheel to zoom in and out. Then click to set a scale. We use the size of the door as the standard and set it to 0.9 meters. And now we start setting obstacles. Usually we select line, common brick wall, and inside the office we can set some common wood door, just for example. And we can also set several interface and microwave oven. Then we go to region setting. Basically, we only need to set a rectangular signal area, and we can also set the bandwidth requirements and terminal situation in the region. After finishing these settings, we go to deployment. We click automatically deployment, click next, and select an L-Engine 5761. Then we set channel and power config, and we place EAP. Now we can see that an AP has been placed, and we go to simulation, open simulation, and the signal situation will be displayed on the screen. We can move the AP location and click refresh simulation to obtain a better signal coverage. And finally, we go to report, where we can select the parameters to be exported in the report. And now we click export. So let's take a look at the report we exported, and we can see the buildings diagram, the results of simulation, and the parameters of our device here. Now we go back to the WLAN planner and click export to export the planning config file. After exporting, we go to NCE controller. We select monitoring, WLAN monitoring, select size 3, planning, and upload the file. Click for details. Here's the results of the planning exporting. And we click monitoring, and we can see planning has been successfully imported. Select the office, we can see the planning we just finished on the WLAN planner platform. Okay, now we go back to site management and select site 3. And we can see AP1 has been created, which are imported just through the planning config file. Okay, so that's all today, and we have finished the first part preparation. In our next lecture, we will enter the second part, environment setup. And we hope you enjoy the video, and see you next time.